Hey there, trying to show how the trim angle of the motor might affect you when you're trying to dock the boat. See, right now I have the motor trimmed up relatively high, and you can see the propulsion shooting towards the surface of the water, which isn't going to push the boat very well. But as I trim the motor down, you'll notice the propulsion starts to shoot behind the boat better, which is pushing the boat better, so it'll dock a lot better. I could trim down even further, but when I do that, I'm actually propulsion shooting down, and so it's kind of lifting the transom up. So the long and short here is somewhere around the neutral position is probably about the best spot when I'm docking the boat.